Hey y'all, it's Chantel and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can tell by the title of the video, the topic will be Forex for Dummies. So if you are someone who already knows a little bit about Forex, you already have a demo account or you're live trading, then this video may not be for you. This is more geared towards those of you who have heard of Forex. You've heard of people making money from it, but you just don't know how to get started. So I will be sharing a couple of tips with you guys on how you can get started with learning and becoming a day trader. She like my energy. She gon' see on the one that she need. Now she don't wanna. So let's start with what is Forex. Forex is the foreign exchange market of global currency pairs such as the US dollar, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, pound, euro, so forth, and so forth. This market determines the exchange rate of these pairs. And you may be thinking, I kind of know what it is, I kind of don't. Think in terms of if you ever go visit another country, or you've heard of when people go to a different country, they have to exchange the money that they brought for the money of that country so they can go spend money and so forth. And that country's money or value may be worth more than yours, or it may be worth less, and if it's worth less, you will get more money, or vice versa. The market is made up of big banks and also like a lot of small people who day trade like me and you. We have very little influence in the market compared to these big banks, okay? And how you can make money from the market is, remember we mentioned it's based on the rate of these pairs, so how much they're worth. And the market will fluctuate a tiny bit, and these numbers that it fluctuates are called pips, and we are able to make money off of these pips by saying, hey, I think it will go down 30 pips, 50 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips, and you put your money on that. So that's how you make money from the market. So let's move on to how to learn and what to learn about Forex. So I'll tell you guys a couple of free ways that you can learn about it. To start with, you can go on babypips.com, and this is a free website that will tell you literally everything you want to know about Forex. And like I mentioned, it's free, and you can just go on there and, you know, just start familiarizing yourself with concepts and terms related to trading. You can also go on YouTube and look up fellow YouTubers. There's many people who release a lot of content that's completely free about how to mark up a chart, their strategies. And then lastly, you can also get a course, and this is where money is involved. But there's a lot of very successful traders who have gone on to make courses such as Swaggy C, QBanks, that have these courses that will teach you how to trade. I personally did the Swaggy C course, and I literally learned from nothing all the way a year and a half later to finally becoming a profitable trader. So yeah, I would recommend starting with the free route and just familiarizing yourself. However, along the way, you will want to continue your learning. You will want to learn more that you just can't get from the free material. So I do highly suggest eventually investing in yourself and getting a course. That's what it is, you know. Just how someone will go to trade school to learn a trade, eventually that trade skill is going to pay off. Now, search around and find the one that's best for you. There are some that are very reasonable, and then there are some that are very pricey. So just search around, do your research, and find one that sticks out to you. So, what exactly will you need to learn when trying to become a day trader? The most important thing is technical analysis, and this is how to read a chart. You have to know how to read a chart to be a trader. You'll also need to learn about fundamentals, which involves like the news and stuff that involves the government, such as like the current war that's going on. And then also another very big aspect of trading is your psychology. Yes, your psychology is a very, very, very big part of trading, okay? So those are the 3 things that you'll need to learn about to be a trader. Now, how will you learn technical analysis? How will you practice technical analysis? You will use something called TradingView, and this is another free website. You go on, create an account, and you can look at the live market. The market's open on Sunday at 5 p.m. and close on Friday at 5 p.m. You go on here and you can search up any pair. You can finding 1 or 2 to start with and sticking with those. Fundamental analysis, how you can keep up with that in the news that's going on, and when public officials are going to speak, which heavily impacts the markets. You will use another free website called Forex Factory, and it will have news from every country. You'll just scroll through or click through and see what day major news is supposed to come out. If it's red, that means it could have a very, very, very big impact on the markets that day. Orange is also like a medium impact. Could do something, might not do something to the markets that day. So yeah, go on those 2 free websites, TradingView and Forex Factory, and you can use those to get started with trading. Now, how you will place your trades in your brokers or platforms that you will use. My favorite is Oanda. I just like it. I feel like it has a clean look to it, easy to use. I don't know, I just like it. A free app. You can also do like a demo account. This is if you want to practice before doing the real thing and putting your real money on the line. You can do the demo account. Another popular one is MetaTrader. I don't like this one, but if you want to do certain things such as the FTMO challenge, which I will be partaking in, you will have to use that platform to place your trades on. There's also unregulated brokers, but I don't mess with that. I don't know nothing about it. So yeah, those are free apps you guys can get. So just some quick tips that I would mention for you guys when getting started with trading. I really recommend that you look up risk management and what it is and how you implement it in your trading style. This will really save you a lot of stress if you implement this practice early on. When I started trading, like, I really didn't understand it. All I understood was I need a stop loss. So, and I lost a lot of money. So I really recommend that you guys look into risk management and leveraging your account and what those mean. Also, if you have the time or you like to read this book called Trading in the Zone, and that is about the psychology of being a trader. It's very, very helpful, and you will get a lot from it. It'll save you a lot of heartache and stress along the way. And lastly, I would just say stay encouraged along this journey. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It actually takes a lot of dedication. Everybody's journey is different. Some people may learn faster than others, but like I said, stay dedicated. Don't give up. A lot of people aren't able to master that psychology aspect and they give up. But if you can continue to master that, then you will become a successful trader. I guarantee it. So that's all that I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time.
But I had a name. Now my mama want a Bentley, sister want a Range. I stay down, play the game, and my life changed. I swear they don't even know it. That shit light change. Fuck with